Hellenic Olympic Committee President Spyros Kapralos said in a recent interview that China will undoubtedly host safe and successful Olympic Games. Kapralos praised the Chinese people for their determination to achieve the most successful Olympic Games amid the COVID-19 pandemic.
China is doing a tremendous job preparing for the Games by trying to prevent all sorts of problematic situations that may arise from the spread of the virus. By hosting the Winter Olympic Games, China is demonstrating its commitment to Olympic ideals. They show that the power of sport can bring us closer together by focusing on our shared values. Personally, I'm very impressed by the determination and motivation shown by every Chinese citizen to achieve the most successful Olympic Games. We look forward to experiencing great Winter Olympic Games thanks to the amazing energy and willpower of the Chinese people. The Olympic Games, in times of pandemic, should inspire nations to unite and put an end to all the crises and challenges that the world is facing.
Kapralos sent his best wishes to Beijing 2022 at the end of the interview.
我们一起向未来祝福中国，祝福北京。